In this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually use ChatGPT 5 to its fullest potential. So basically, to use ChatGPT 5, you're gonna just load up ChatGPT, log in, go you could create a new chat by clicking this button right here. ChatGPT, great for everyday tasks. Click this, and as you can see, I'm on ChatGPT 5 right now. So to use it to its fullest potential, let's say you press plus button, there's a lot of stuff you could do right here. Study and learn, create image, think longer. You could even use deep research and tell ChatGPT to web search and even create photos. Let's say you want to create an image of space. Let's say you want to create an image of space. Press the plus button, press create image. Now I'm gonna just press space. I sent it to ChatGPT, and now you wait, and boom, the image of space has been now created. As you can see, it's very high resolution. It's pretty cool. Look, there's a galaxy right there. This is stellar nebula. And yeah, if you want to choose the style, as you can see, anime, cyberpunk, dramatic headshot, photo shoot, synthwave, all these styles, you can even pick that. Let's go on to study and learn. Let's say you want to learn complex stuff, like want to learn how to solve advanced polynomials. As you can see, you're gonna want to pick the type of polynomial. Graphing. I just pick graphing for no reason. As you see, it's telling me to put the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. I'm gonna just you choose. You choose again. And now it is teaching me how to create this. It's literally teaching me what do you think happens at X. It's telling me all the stuff I need to do to get my answer. It teaches you like a teacher would. And yeah, there's all this different stuff you could do. And yeah, that's basically it. I just want to show you guys ChatGPT 5 and how powerful it is. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.